Let me save you from one of the biggest myths in real estate. You do not need 20% to build a house. In fact, if someone told you that, respectfully, they have no idea what they're talking about. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how much you need for a construction loan, whether it's FHA, conventional, or VA, and how to structure this the right way so you're not lighting money on fire. Most people think building a home works like this: buy land, save forever, and then maybe someday build. That's not how smart money does it, though. With the construction of perm loan, you can finance the land, the build, and the final mortgage all in one closing. So instead of playing financial gymnastics, we simplify everything. Let's talk about numbers, because that's what actually everyone cares about, right? Conventional construction loans, typically a 5% down payment minimum. However, these are for stronger credit scores, usually 700 plus. If you're under a 700 credit score, let's plan for a higher down payment. Again, these are best for higher income, strong credit buyers. FHA construction loans. Did you know you can do this with as little as 3.5% down payment? Example, $500,000 build. That means you need at least 17,500. This is my go-to for first-time buyers that are looking to build. VA construction loan, 0% down payment. Yes, zero. If you're a veteran and you're not using this, we need to talk immediately. So no, you don't need 20%. You don't need to drain your savings. You just need to structure it correctly. Here's where people mess this up. They focus on the down payment, but ignore everything else. If your builder isn't approved, the deal can die. If your budget isn't dialed in, you're paying out of pocket for the upgrades after the loan is closed. And if your draw schedule isn't clear, you're in for a nightmare. That's why picking the right builder matters just as much as the loan. Not your cousin, not a guy who builds on the weekends, an actual vetted builder who understands construction of perm loans. Pro tip that most lenders won't tell you: you don't even need to own the land yet. We can roll the land and the construction into one loan, and sometimes even use the future value of the home to help your position. That's how you build wealth, not just a house. Building your dream home shouldn't feel like financial guessing game. If you're thinking about building or even just looking at land, talk to me before you make a move. Drop build in the comments and I'll send you my full construction checklist. Or just reach out. Let's build this the right way.